Hello everyone! Welcome to the third part of the Jarvis Series, where we explore everything related to Iron Man, from the latest news to detailed analysis of his suits. Join me on this exciting journey as we dive into the world of Iron Man together. I'm excited to share my passion for Iron Man with you and hope you'll enjoy watching my videos as much as I enjoy making them. So sit back, relax, and get ready to dive into the world of Iron Man. I'm thrilled to share my passion for Iron Man with you and excited to announce the features and abilities that I have planned for Jarvis. From controlling your smart home to providing information, playing music, and even ordering products online, Jarvis has got you covered. And that's just the beginning. The list of features continues to grow daily, so be sure to share your recommendations below. 1. Control your smart home. 2. Provide information. 3. Play music. 4. Sports score. 5. Order products online. 6. Alarms, reminders, and timers. 7. Manage schedule. 8. Map navigation. 9. Make calls. 10. Upload YT videos. 11. Play YT videos. 12. Play movies. 13. OS functionality. 14. Face detection. 15. Object detection. 16. Save and watch laters. 17. Make custom searches. 18. Personal recommendations like mom. 19. Medicine reminder. 20. Birthday reminder. 21. Play audiobooks. 22. Answer medical questions. 23. Screen recording. 24. Create new files and folders. 25. Deliver news. 26. Get controls. 27. Create new contacts. 28. Open websites. 29. General conversation. 30. Access Instagram. 31. Open installed apps. 32. Tell weather. 33. Math calculations. 34. Health advices and tracking. 35. Manage database. 36. Understand and make my mood happy. For now, I have thought of adding these, but this list continues to be modified daily. But I can't do this alone. I need your help to build this community and crack the YouTube algorithm. So hit that like button and subscribe to see upcoming videos.